from Agarbandh to
Agarbandh.
Are you excited?
Yes, very much.
How you feeling? Feeling?
Very good. We are going to meet our mother's maternal house.
Where you see?
Huh?
What you there see?
We will see two aunts, two uncles, two grandmother and one sister. Above the airport. See the green horizons because we are going to the Midnapore side and there is lot of water. That time we are playing games. It is a type of fighting between us. But still we are laughing. Now see, my brother is drawing and I am writing my experience in a notebook. See, my brother is so serious. This is the Sal forest. See the so nice scenery. That's why I decided to draw this picture in my drawing book. With this track, it is looking very nice. We have reached the Agarbandh station by the train midnapore local. After reaching the maternal house, we were served some sweets. My father liked them most and my mother too. See the so nice scenery here. There was a bridge, but it gets destroyed by the flood. So we crossed the river by boat. The Silaboti river it was known as. We were walking on the bank of the river. There was so much heat. We were really sweating here. This is the Raghunath Ram temple. We were sitting and seeing the worshipping of the priest. This is Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, and Ram, Sita, Lakhan. This is a photo of us. This is Raghunath Jew temple where my mother's rice ceremony was held. This temple is of 500 and more than years. Inside the temple, there is Lord Raghunath Jew, Lakhan and Ma Sita. We have come that Ramchandra temple by this boat and are going by this boat only. This is the river Silaboti.
Kunchu, do you want to tell something?
No. When we were crossing the river, we were enjoying the boat very much. Especially my brother. I was playing with the water. There are two boats. Cycles and motorcycles are also in the She is Puchki. I met her for the first time and we are playing that time. Red light, green light. She was like my twin sister. We are going back in the night train.